Welcome to Pro Stock Trade's weekly recap. The market gained 2.32% this week, making 2023 4 for 4 on green weeks. Here's what happened throughout the week. On Monday, Spotify cut 6% of its workforce, or 600 employees. Also, Don Ostroff will leave their CCO position and the company will have a new Chief Product Officer and Chief Business Officer. Hedge fund Elliott Investment Management took a multi-billion-dollar stake in Salesforce after it laid off many of its employees. 7 of America's largest banks, including Wells Fargo, Bank of America, JP Morgan Chase, and more, are planning to create a digital wallet that will compete with PayPal and Apple. The goal is to allow users to pay for things in stores with their smartphones. Disney's Avatar: The Way of Water crossed the $2 billion mark, although the director stated that they needed $2 billion just to break even. On Tuesday, Walmart announced that they will be increasing their average hourly wage to over $17.50 starting next month via regular annual increases in targeted investments. The New York Stock Exchange halted trading for dozens of companies due to a technical issue. NYSE officials aren't sure why trading was halted and are investigating the situation. 3M is laying off 2,500 jobs and forecasts a weak first quarter as demand weakens. Raytheon beat profit estimates thanks to strong travel demand in the fourth quarter of 2022. The high demand forced airlines to fly older planes for a longer period of time, boosting demand for Raytheon's high-margin aftermarket services. On Wednesday, gas prices could reach $4 per gallon by April, according to a GasBuddy analyst. He states that planned breaks in production at refineries will play a big role in the rise in prices. Tesla's earnings came out today and they beat expectations. Analysts expected an EPS of $1.12 and revenue of $24.1 billion. Actual EPS came out to $1.19, and revenue came in at $24.3 billion. Also, Tesla plans to build a $3.5 billion semi-truck plant in Nevada. Boeing also came out with earnings but saw the opposite of Tesla. EPS was expected to come in at 17 cents, and revenue at $20.02 billion. Actual results came out to $1.75 loss, and $19.8 billion in revenue. Microsoft's cloud platform Azure along with Teams and Outlook went out briefly, affecting millions of users across the globe. The only region not affected was China, and Microsoft's platform for government entities. Amazon is launching their RX Pass in the United States. Only available to Amazon Prime members, users will be able to pay a $5 monthly fee for unlimited prescriptions that will be shipped right to their doorstep. RX Pass includes generic medications that treat over 80 common health conditions including anxiety, high blood pressure, hair loss, and much more. Amazon says that over 150 million Americans already take one or more of the medications that they provide. Robinhood's Twitter account was hacked. The account posted a tweet promoting a Binance Smart Chain token which received no more than $1,000 in purchases before Robinhood took down the tweet. The NYSE stated that the glitch in the system that halted dozens of stocks from trading was actually a manual error. The exchange triggered a sell short restriction on 80 securities by mistake. Shopify surged on news that they will be raising their pricing plans. Their basic plan increased 34% from $29 per month to $39. Qatar doubled their Credit Suisse stake and now owns 6.8% of the company. That's second to Saudi National Bank's 9.9% ownership. On Thursday, Bed Bath & Beyond stock tumbled after the retailer revealed a new regulatory filing. In the filing was a default notice from JP Morgan, and also shows that the company has inadequate funds to repay its loans. BuzzFeed rose 120% after the company announced that it is planning to heavily lean on AI-generated content. The company plans to utilize ChatGPT creator, OpenAI, to generate and personalize some content and enhance their quizzes. IBM announced 3,900 layoffs as a part of asset divestments and missed annual cash target. The CFO stated that amid these layoffs, the company is still committed to hiring for client-facing research and development. Chipotle, on the other hand, is hiring 15,000 full-time and part-time employees ahead of what they call burrito season, aka March to May. Comcast warned investors that they should see peak losses with their streaming service Peacock this year. Losses are expected to amount to $3 billion. Last quarter alone, the streaming platform saw nearly $1 billion loss. On Friday, Snapchat is under investigation due to drug deals resulting in overdose deaths taking place on Snapchat. Tesla came out with a report stating that their Cybertruck is on track to begin production later this year. Morgan Stanley is fining their own bankers anywhere from a few $1,000s to over $1 million for conducting business via WhatsApp. Walmart will be opening over 30 new Sam's Club locations over the next several years. Boeing is going against the trend and will be hiring 10,000 workers this year. In 2022, they hired 15,000. The Federal Reserve rejected crypto bank Custodia's application to become a member of the Fed system. They stated that the bank's focus on crypto created significant safety risks. Lucid surged on a report that Saudi's public investment fund will be buying out the rest of the company that they already own 65% of. If you enjoy our content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with market news. Thanks for watching and stay informed.